He will stay.
He will stay.
Who's he? Can you tell me his name?
We come here with utmost respect tonight. We just want to reach out and see who is in this boiler room that makes people feel uncomfortable. Would you like to talk to us tonight? If so, can you make one of these crap balls go off or the meter? If not, that's okay. It was going off like crazy earlier, guys. I got my good energy necklace on me tonight. I'm gonna start wearing this everywhere I go. I'm also gonna get a cross necklace. We did get our camera today, y'all. We got our camera today. Next on the computer so we can do bigger projects. Is there anything else you want to say to us tonight?
Powerfully.
Powerfully. Is it because you get a lot of energy in this room?
Can you tell me what happened to you and why you're down here? I just felt something. That's weird. I should have grabbed that light, little light panel.
Yeah. We're gonna be in here for a little bit, not long though, just a little bit. I know this house is really old. Did you used to live here? Maybe at one point?
Well, the original owner of this house, he was a nice guy. Did you used to know him?
I have a bad feeling about this.
Was that your nickname? Was Betty your nickname?
How long is the video already?
6 minutes. Can you tell me why you're still here? There's a story about the old owner's mom who passed away in this house. Do you know her? Or is this her?
Okay guys, we're going to...
I have a bad feeling about this.
Thank you for talking to us tonight. You may not attach to us and you may not follow us. Thank you. Okay guys, we're going to do... See, that's because of my phone, y'all. Don't worry. Okay guys, turn the light